how to manage web link previews on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage web link previews on Skype mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Skype and now click on your profile here and then go down and click this one, settings, and now click this one, messaging, and here as you see now you will find this one, web link previews, and all you need to do is just click here if you want to turn it off. And as you see, web links previews has been turned off, and just click again to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.